And welcome back to the channel, guys. You probably remember my review of these Novelty Pliers lighters thing here, if we can get it to work. There we go. And I wondered, would I be able to get some proper short-handled pliers just like this, but you know, the real thing? So I had a look round on the interweb, and I found these. Look at that, little short stubby handled pliers. Look at that, guys. No, not really. I actually made these. What do you think? Proper little stubby pliers. Yeah, so I couldn't find any genuine pliers this size online, so I decided to make my own. I went off to a car boot sale on Sunday. I had to dive through some of the boxes, and this pair of Elliott Lucas Elect were in there, somewhat slightly scruffy, for 50p. So I thought, yep, that'll do for my guinea pig. We'll give it a go. So I'll tell you what we'll do, guys. We'll they do actually work. Look, we'll take a trip back to earlier on, and we'll see how I made them. So I've got these fairly old and quite nicely clean-ish pair of pliers from the car boot sale on Sunday for 50p. Don't look too bad, they work quite nicely. They're a little bit loose, like so, but otherwise they're quite fine. So I think what we'd best be doing is just getting this rust off and the dirt off, and we'll see what they're like underneath. Once again, we will be using a power tool with a wire brush connected to it, so therefore we'll be needing iPro again. Just to finish the handles off, I'm going to be using a couple of layers of heat shrink here. Okay, so what I've done with the brown heat shrink is I've sort of folded it inside itself to make the handles probably a bit more comfortable, hopefully, and look quite smart. So I dare say some of you out there are thinking, oh my god, that's sacrilege, ruin a good pair of classic pliers. well, you know, they only cost me 50 pence, and I don't suppose they'll be worth a lot more than that, to be honest with you. Yeah, they are my little stubby pliers. And of course there will be others of you out there asking, what possible use are they? Well, probably none whatsoever, but come on guys, don't they look good? I mean, you can actually use them for something, I guess, but you won't get much of a grip on them. But look at that, look how small they are. I think they were originally 6-inch pliers, to be honest with you, but they're quite short now. As you can see, there's the bits of handles I chopped off. You can see they're a goodly bit shorter than this pair here. I mean, this pair are a slightly different size anyway, but the head is more or less the same size, as you can see there. But yeah, so I mean, you're either carting a great big thing like this that you can actually use about, or you can carry my little teeny tiny stubby pliers around with you. I think they're quite cool myself, actually. So there we go guys, how to make your own short-handled pliers from a pair of probably worthless old pliers. Let me know what you think guys. I dare say some of you will be thinking, oh no, but you know, let me know what you think guys. Yeah, I quite enjoy this little project. I wanted some little stubby pliers but couldn't find any, so I've made my own. Brilliant. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoy this little bit of nonsense here. These are going in with my other pliers. You know, worthless or not, I quite enjoy this little project here. So you'll have to let me know what you think. Alright then guys, well thanks for popping over, thanks for watching, and I will catch you here again later, back at Rathbone Manor then. Laters!